a small cloth and hang tag using acrylic paint. I am creating a starry night painting. Painting on this small canvas is a bit challenging because the space is limited and you have to create your desired painting within that constraint. Since the tag is black, I have used light colors for the painting so that it's visible. This is very famous painting inspired by Van Gogh's style. There are many more painting videos like this one that I have made, which you can find on my channel, and I will also add the link in the description. I aim to create easy painting ideas in my videos so that my beginner viewers can benefit from my painting. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.